the vision, the mission, just the pure utility of what BuyLive gives to everyone is so necessary today. I mean, if you're looking to get some new shoes or a new shirt, where are you going to go? So a lot of places are closed. I know that there are some reopenings happening, but we're also seeing that some states are going through heavy increases of new positive cases of coronavirus. So some of you are probably scared and don't even want to get out of the house. And that's totally understandable. We see that there's definitely a need for that buyer out there to get that explanation of what they're trying to buy, right? Or to get a demonstration, right? So, for example, I mean, you can look at a shirt online and say, hey, that's nice. You know, I like that shirt. And then perhaps you look at the fabric and all that, and it's like, ooh, wow, that's a good one. But hey, I'm a big guy, right? And I'll say, okay, I'm going to get an extra large or a large or whatever. But then when I get it, that manufacturer of the shirt maybe they run it too small or too big. You know, so it'd be pretty cool to see that manufacturer, the maker of that clothes, try it on. You know, maybe we can get a lineup of people trying on different types of clothes and that we can see. Not just that, but how about seeing how just anything works? What if you can show me how to even put this on correctly? A lot of people don't even know how to put on a face mask correctly. I mean, there's so many different examples of why demonstrations are so important, and a live demonstration at that, because then you can ask questions, right? Wouldn't it be cool if you can have like that salesperson that you used to have at the mall that you could go up to and be like, hey, where can I find this? You know, how does that work? You know, how much, whatever questions you have or have had in the past, you can now translate that into BuyLive, the virtual world. That's what this is all becoming, right? And that's what we're doing for people. This is something that is going to change the whole entire world.